All right, back at the river. My gosh, there is a crowd and a half here today. It's a gorgeous day. How's it going, Tyler?
Hey, I'm hoping to you every damn day now.
Oh, there's a hit. There's a hit. Oh, that's a good one too. That's a good one. Oh, yes. Oh. All right. Let's go ahead and get you back. All right. You did it.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, bud.
Did you catch one of the first casts?
Nah, but maybe the third.
That's good enough.
Nice carp, man. That was great. That was a beautiful fish.
Appreciate it.
On a light rod like that, that was a hell of a fight.
Yeah, 6 pounds.
Darn, dude. Well,
20 minutes or so.
well done. They definitely have a lot of power for their size. Oh, just like that. Yes, I love that. Woo! That is just awesome. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, man, that's a good one too, dude. Oh, that's a hit. Oh, that was an awesome hit too, guys. Oh, I love this. I love it. Love it. Love it. Come over. Right there, guys, right there. That is what we have come here for. Oh, fish on. Love it. Love it. Come on over. I'm gonna let you go. Promise. Nice, nice, nice. That's a chunky one again. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is a fat one. Woo! Come on now. Wow, look at this, guys. Look how fat that thing is. That is just all muscle. All right, see you guys. Nice meeting you, Shannon. Congratulations on your first shad. All right, guys, I have no idea if you can see me, but we are heading out. What a, just an awesome day of shad fishing, guys. I don't know how many I caught. I got to go back and count them. 8, 10, something like that. All right, thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya.